Thank you, Chairman, and thank you, audience, for today's very, raining day. Still, all of you came to attend this function. So actually, my topic will be the role of NIC reaching rural India. How we are connected rural people through ICT. Basically, any project to implement, e-governance project to implement, in like bigger state like Uttar Pradesh, where you have bigger family, is a population of around 16 crore or 17 crore population, and you try to achieve and connect rural people, it's a really without a strategy you cannot able to achieve any target. And just I'll give an learning, those who are from rural background, is you have seen that old days, like the most of the parents, some family in the village, they used to have 10 sons. And all his son was either doctor or engineer. Most of the people are highly qualified. In a family, you find many people like, and 10 sons, very difficult to feed them. Still, and all people are quite learned and very good family. What is the strategy behind that? Actually, he only pushes 1 or 2 sons. If you have 10 sons, and you want everybody should economically sound and do well, just only what you do, push 1 or 2 sons. If he becomes engineer or doctor, then you don't bother about another 8 sons. They will simply follow their path. The same thing is our e-governance project is like baby. If you want to implement in the state like Uttar Pradesh or Bihar or some bigger state, then only push 1 or 2 projects, make it it's most innovative project, and then you just relax. Yes, people start, it's a kind of inertia, will drive my project. The similar strategy we followed in Uttar Pradesh, and today at least Uttar Pradesh has been known as a IT leader. Most of the projects are successful. The many cases study, like 60% fails. Like, chairman has said that the kind of World Bank report, I think probably they quote from, I don't know from where, but the many projects in India is now the 60% failure is not, many good projects are running and quite successful. Only thing they have to touch the heart of the people. So what I'm saying is, e-governance project is the center of gravity for mature democracy. If you want a good democracy to move on, a politics to move on, governance to move on, then you have to have e-governance. There is no escape. Then the second is focus on rural e-governance. No point serving these people like in the urban area. They have a lot of power to get the governance to their doorstep. It's only they have to think about rural people. So it becomes almost like inspiring temple for the success of your project. Its success depends on the vision, the power of execution. Yes, you have to think of like what you want to deliver. Then you have to successfully execute. Operational excellence, which are the qualities of champions and leaders. E-governance initiative actually is again we are saying it's a not easy job. It's a push-pull. Some champion, a leader who just pulls the things. Then once if somebody pulls it, then there is a kind of citizen behind it who gets the service. He'll try to drive it. And I've seen any projects is successful today. Maybe land record today in Uttar Pradesh is all because once succeeded, then public will not like that issue project will be withdrawn. They get the taste of the benefit. Recently, there was a kind of exhibition in Uttar Pradesh. It's called Agri Expo. One of my person, DDG, wanted to attend because agriculture sector person. Actually, I was not very keen to attend the function for farmers. I said like what to speak. And really, can we talk in the same frequency? But you will not believe there are a lot of farmers. And when I just interacted, are you getting benefit of ICT? Many people raise hand. And they say, like, thanks to NIC, at least we have record of right, which is really land record information today, is to run behind the patwari for getting a house loan or maybe for fertilizers loan from the bank. For farmers, it is a very important document for a security document. Like for our thing is salary slip for getting any loan. For a farmer, it's a land record details, patta. So there was, I think I was so happy to see such a good response from the farmer, like at least getting benefit of ICT. So you have to integrate them, and actually the something sustained for the bottom. Then champion, you need a champion. Yes, a person to drive the project, either from bureaucracy or the technical people. From the core, yesterday some of the army man, dinner time, he was asking like, you have to own from your heart. It's one in the podium sitting and deliberating all the things. Somebody has to go in the field. It's a really tough job. It's 800 block, 300 tahsils in Uttar Pradesh. So when you're driving any projects means you'll be ready for just sweating hard along with your project. So it's a big, then I'll a strategy, a vision, what is ultimately the achievements of the champion leader generates values. Certainly you have to add value to your service. Impossible, possible, that's all. I mean, certainly you have to do very tough task. First option is for any governance project is to visualize, conceptualize, design, kick start, replicate. And for them, execution is the key, makes all the difference. The project has to be executed. That only makes difference. Otherwise, you talk of anything, clean your thing, that I'm doing something, it makes no difference, doesn't affect the people. Like, execute it, and then you see the response. I've seen, generally say, when criticize the service sector, people like NIC or any private sector, you do anything good, people don't appreciate. It's not, I have not, last 20 years in my NIC, either in Bihar or in UP, I've seen a lot of respect I'm generate if a project success. Everybody just puts on your palm and they have a lot of respect. So once you execute the project and make it success, certainly you have been a lot of respect. The four-pronged strategy, the champion or leader, either from technical side or bureaucracy side, they gather, observe, adopt, innovate, and execute them, build competency around them. Because actually, yes, luckily the government employee, you have to bring some kind of training program. Managing time and such resources, commitment to excellence is non-negotiable. Certainly you have to excel them. Think out of box, innovate, do better than best. Certainly, anybody does something, you have to do better than best. So, and unless until you follow that strategy, it's become, because actually time is only 10 minutes, so I mean slightly escaping it. Get ordinary people, government employee, most ordinary, I think probably ordinary is, I mean just it should be slightly low. And get extraordinary things. It's a really hell of a job. It's a government employee pushing them, e-governance project, because they feel that it's a, my bread and butter is going, it's everything will be transparent, so what will happen to me, my job will go. So if you build them into that, integrate them, like I mean positive spiraling, spiral them into the project is nothing, you are not losing your power, but only thing that you can deliver much better and you can get respect. And you will not believe, everybody is dying hard. Forget about the sabotaging by the lower level, even the bureaucracy, or those who are that leader, a secretary. Yes, they actually, even district magistrate, is my experience, that what you can prove. Any district magistrate actually when posted in Noida, what he can prove? Law and order, I think something is bad, so remain bad. I've seen many for the last couple of years that even the bureaucracy, the district magistrate, you want to perform, he has to do only ICT. All the champion. There is today, district magistrate, like, I've done something, public-oriented job. It has to be only ICT. And many people are coming to me, please help me, many district magistrate unnamed. Is law and order is not, it says public delivery. If you improve, and you can go to CM Saab, this is the way a model have worked. Now, I mean, caste certificate, domicile certificate, or pension, widow pension, reaching in time. I am the only man done it because of computer like. So people are just coming, a mad rush coming. So actually he said taking positive spiraling of all these stakeholders, you can able to deliver. Life cycle approach, infrastructure, yes, invest. But at the same time you see that your software also in the place. Technology is strategic enabler and embracing ecology. UP, as I discussed, actually I'm quoted somewhere in Bihar. Why? Because actually 12 years I was in Bihar, 6 years in UP, so almost around 19 years working with NIC. I've seen many success stories. I worked with many good champions, even E-Committee Chairman, Justice Varuka. Yesterday night dinner, I was in Ramsok Sharma, is the first IT secretary in Bihar. We had done many good projects in Bihar, although sometimes people feel from outside that is backward. Same thing for UP, you must be feeling backward, but you go there, a lot of good work being done. So just I'm saying that it's such a large population. Once you, even our DG, ex-DG, when always you say like if you do any amount of ICT and if you leave UP and Bihar, then you have done nothing. Because these two states is a country. And if you make any impact of ICT in this state, certainly makes a lot of difference. And certainly, I mean, with that kind of vision of our ex-DG, Dr. Sesha Giri, we have started working, sweating hard, and we have done good job. And say the kind of magnitude, 70 districts, 305 tehsils, almost around 631 cities. UP is the largest, I mean, lot of cities, one of bigger cities like Kawal town, and then there's many big towns, municipal corporations, 11, 804 blocks, village population 99 villages and 99, almost around 1 lakh villages, literacy rate. So challenging, things are quite challenging. Now you see the stakeholders matrix. What a stakeholder, who needs what? If you are clear about that what they expect, the demand side, the stakeholder, what they expect from you, then is for you, then once you don't know what they demand, the supply side people has to just join, work hard with all kind of integrated way and deliver service. You see the farmers, what he requires, रिकॉर्ड और राइट, पट्टा उनको जमीन का मिलना चाहिए,